Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing. I'm clearing space for blank. There's always a little card on top. Ooh, what? Sugar cookie confetti cashews? I've never heard of such a thing. That sounds really interesting. Huh. Pretty cool. I love this box. I love trying snacks. And this is perfect for that. A lot of these I've never seen before, but then from going to the store, like sometimes Target will sell them or, you know, other local places. So, very cool. I like this box so far. We have sugar cookie cashews, and now we have birthday cake. What is this? Gluten-free rule breaker. This is just a cookie. Wow. Snack time. Wait, there's beans in it? Let's see, what is this? Beans and a brownie. Oh my. Well, it's chickpeas. Okay. I feel like that's pretty okay. That might be decent. Might taste good. Now these I have had. I don't know that I've had the strawberry flavor, but they're so good. They taste like candy, and they aren't like too sour. But yeah, happy to have that. The kids will love that. Also happy to have this, Pretzel Pete, honey mustard and onion pretzels. Yes, please. Those are probably delicious. Then we have the Perfect Granola Cherry Vanilla Walnut. 180 calories, 9 grams of sugar, no sodium, and 2 grams of saturated fat. Cool. Couple more items in my snack box. This one is Crunchy Chickpeas Sweet Sriracha. 8 grams of protein, and there feels like there's pretty many in here. Very nice. And last we have GoMacro Macro Bar Heartwarming Retreat Oatmeal Chocolate Chip. It's organic, vegan, and gluten-free. It says nut-free and high protein. So this is awesome. I'm pretty sure I'll like all of these. Crunchy chickpeas, those are pretty decent normally. I haven't had that flavor. So yeah, excited for the snack box. I love it. If you guys want to join, they have this one, and then they have a deluxe box as well where you get twice as many snacks as this box. So I will put all their information below in case you want to join. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.